am your teacher, Miss Tuba. Today we learn about Urdu. Here is your book, Urdu word book. Open your book and open page number 3. First, we have a column of date. Right here, date. पढ़िए, पेंसिल फेरिए और लिखिए. We have a topic about हुर्फ तहज्जी अलिफ. अलिफ से अखबार, अलिफ से अनाज. Repeat after me. अलिफ, अलिफ से अखबार, अलिफ से अनाज. Now write अलिफ. Place a pencil on the given dot and start from the dot and write alif. Repeat after me. Alif, 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 alif. Repeat with me again and again. Alif, 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 alif. And then we have to write here by ourselves. Place your pencil on the given dot and come down slowly like this. Alif, 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 alif. Say with me. Alif, alif से अखबार, अलिफ से अनाज. अलिफ से अखबार, अलिफ से अनाज. Okay students, I hope you enjoyed your class. Repeat and learn about alif at home and do practice of alif at home again and again. See you in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.